Hello guys, in this video we are going to be reviewing the Hamster Scalping EA for MT5, and we are just going to go through how it works, its features, and then I'll run a back test so we can really break down the strategy in action. Now, before we go further, you can actually download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes with lots of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description below. So, this EA is called Hamster Scalping and it is currently priced at 30 US dollars, which makes it one of the more affordable EAs on the marketplace, right? From the description, we can see that it's a fully automated expert advisor, and it's actually uh, uses a night scalping strategy. All right, and it is primarily designed to trade pairs like the Euro USD on lower time frames, specifically around M5. Okay, so you can see the recommendation here. It is recommended for Euro USD on the M5 time frame. So one thing that stands out immediately is that it requires a hedging account. So that is something to keep in mind before using it. The developer also recommends using an ECN broker, all right, with low spreads, which makes sense for scalping strategies, especially those operating during low volatility, the night hours, right? During the nighttime sessions. Now, looking at the core features of this EA, it is based on a combination of RSI and ATR-based filter, which already gives a good idea that this is likely a mean reversion style strategy with volatility filtering. Okay, there are also quite a few customizable options here. If we go through the input parameters, we can see quite a lot of customizable options. We have the virtual. Let's just take a few of them. We have the virtual take profit and stop loss, for example. Virtual take profit and stop loss, which means trades may not always rely on broker level SL or TP. Okay, and then we also have our spread filter. We can see here max spread, right? It helps avoid poor entries during high spread conditions, right? You can see you can actually set the maximum spread for opening and closing orders. So if during a period of low volatility, perhaps spread expands, if you had set a maximum spread, then trade ideally shouldn't be executed when that spread rises beyond the limit that you set it. Okay, and then we also have we can see here maximum lot size. We have auto lot size, auto lot, initial lot, right, and all of that, right? So these are customizable settings. If you desire to use this EA, feel free to modify the settings according to your taste. So overall, it's quite flexible, especially for something at this price point. Okay, so now what we are going to be doing is to jump into the strategy tester and run a back test. I'll be running this from around the start of this year. Okay, so let's just proceed to that immediately. We're going to have the EA added shortly. Okay, we have that already. So now the Hamster Scalping EA for MT5, the symbol we are going to be running it on is Euro USD, right? Since that is the recommendation, we were told that it's recommended to use this EA on EU and M5 time frame, right? So we are just going to work with that. So back testing from the beginning of this year till date. And then for our delays, for accuracy, I prefer to use the last ping to my server. All right, so we're going to be starting now. Okay, looking at how this EA is entering trades, you can see that entries are happening mostly during quieter market periods, right? Which aligns with the night scalping approach. What's happening here is that the RSI is being used to identify overbought and oversold conditions. So when price stretches too far in one direction, the EA is looking for a reversal. All right. At the same time, the ATR filter is controlling volatility. So it's not just entering blindly, right? It's filtering out conditions where volatility is either too low or too high. So effectively, this is a controlled mean reversion strategy where entries come from RSI extremes, trades are filtered by volatility using ATR, and timing is controlled through session filters. Now, in terms of exits, you also notice, the EA is using a mix of virtual take profit and stop loss, right? We can see here, we can also have sell trade and buy trade executed simultaneously, right? You can see that there are take profit levels, there are stop loss levels. Okay, so the EA executes trade set levels for entries for exits in both directions. So this is quite common in scalping systems, right? That means that is in terms of the dynamic closing logic. Okay, depending on the price behavior, actually, it's common in scalping systems because they're trying to capture small moves efficiently without exposing trades too long, right? So in terms of the market conditions, this type of strategy will generally perform best in ranging markets. Low to moderate volatility environments also is a good one for this kind of strategy, and especially during quiet trading sessions like the late US or Asian sessions. So because in those conditions price tends to move in smaller, more predictable ranges, which suits mean reversion. On the flip side, it may struggle during strong trending markets, high volatility events or major news releases, because in those scenarios price can continue moving in one direction without reverting quickly, which can put pressure on scalping positions, right? So that is why the filters like the spread control, the ATR, and the news filters are actually very important here. Okay, now we are just going to be skipping to the end of this backtest so that we can review the results. All right, you can see how the EA has also been showing, the profits and losses made for each trade, right? You can see here there was an addition of $2, an addition of $2, a subtraction of $2, right? And all of that, right? So let's just skip to the end and then we review the results immediately. Okay, so looking at the results, we can see that over the period of 3 months and 3 weeks from 1st January to 21st April, right, we had just a little net profit. We had a gross profit of 499 US dollars and a gross loss of about 486 US dollars. The profit factor is quite low, and there were total trades of 566. Short trades were 192, which is quite lower compared to the number of long trades we have at 374. Now, the percentage of short trades won were just 47.4%. Percentage of long trades 46.52%. So this tells me that we have an average win rate of about 40, perhaps 47%, right? For both the short trades and the long trades. Okay. And well, this just shows that the market conditions were probably not so favorable for the strategy being implemented by this expert advisor over the past 3 months, right? Remember that the way an EA performed over the past does not necessarily mean that that is how it will perform in the future, right? Whether it's a losing history or a winning history, no EA guarantees the same results in the future. Okay, so keep in mind that these are historical backtest results, and performance can vary depending on the risk settings, the lot size, the broker conditions, and the market environment. All right, and also, this is something that traders can further optimize by adjusting the EA settings if needed. So overall, Hamster Scalping EA is a simple but structured night scalping system built around RSI based mean reversion with volatility and session filtering. It's clearly designed to be selective rather than constantly active, which is a good sign for this type of strategy, right? And at the same time, like most scalping systems, it's very dependent on market conditions, execution quality, and proper risk management. So definitely something that will benefit from careful testing and optimization depending on your setup. So that is it for this review. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you for watching.